Hey, hello YouTube friends, this is CAA1000 and here I have another Twitter conversation for you today. And you're looking here at what used to be I guess it's called the Vatican or the Catholic Church account. It was the account given to the now formerly known as Pope Benedict XVI, which already, as you know, the Pope Benedict XVI already quitted the Pope position at the Vatican or the Roman Catholic Church. So, as you know, the Catholic Church usually is being declared, the Vatican has been declared as a sede vacante, which means that there is no Pope in place. So, until a new Pope is chosen by the conclave method. And usually what I found very strange, this is the account that was given to Pope Benedict XVI, and after he left the Catholic Church, the whole account disappeared. The tweets that Pope Benedict XVI posted are no longer there. What the Roman Catholic Church did is that they posted in an archive at their website. So if you want to still access the archive, actually on my Twitter account, I think I have it here. Let me see if I can get a closer look here. It says, okay, if you see here, this is where the Vatican has archived all tweets from Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI, this is now how are we gonna call Pope Emeritus, which means Pope retired, Pope Emeritus Benedict XVI. Now, what I meant to say is that the Catholic Church, they posted all the tweets that Pope Benedict XVI did before his retirement, and they were posted in an archive at their website. So if you want to see those, go to my Twitter feed CAA1000 and click on the archive here. That will go to the Catholic Church website regarding the last few tweets that Pope Benedict XVI did before his retirement. And again, we were following this news earlier today, the process on how the Pope decided to leave the Catholic Church. So again, and there is also some news that I'm following. You probably I don't know if you saw this, but apparently they were trying to break the news regarding the health of Venezuela's President Hugo Chavez. We don't even know where he is. Rumor has it that he is not alive or he's dead. I don't even know what's going on, because I don't care what's going on in Venezuela. But actually, there's a lot of confusion. They don't know where is Hugo Chavez. They assume that he is alive. Others say that he's not alive. So again, I don't know what's going on with Venezuela. But again, if you want to check more of my more of my Twitter news feeds, check my Twitter account CA1000. So we'll keep doing the Twitter conversations. So keep coming back to check those. Thank you for watching.